User privacy in the age of social media, challenges and solutions. In today's digital age, social media platforms like Facebook have become an integral part of our lives. While they offer connectivity, entertainment, and information, concerns about user privacy have risen significantly. This article explores the complex landscape of user privacy on social media platforms and discusses challenges and potential solutions. Introduction. Social media platforms have transformed the way we communicate, share, and connect. However, this convenience comes with a trade-off: user privacy. Privacy concerns on social media have led to debates, legal actions, and changes in policies. Understanding the challenges and possible solutions is crucial for users and platform providers alike. Privacy challenges on social media. Data collection. Social media platforms collect extensive data on users, including their behaviors, preferences, and interactions. This data is often used for targeted advertising, raising concerns about user consent and control. Data breaches. High-profile data breaches have exposed user information, leading to identity theft and fraud. Ensuring robust security measures is essential. Third-party apps. Users often grant access to third-party applications, risking their data's misuse. Implementing strict controls on app permissions is a vital step. Algorithmic personalization. Algorithms curate content based on user data, potentially creating filter bubbles and echo chambers. Platforms must strike a balance between personalization and diversity of information. Solutions for user privacy transparency. Social media platforms should be transparent about data collection and usage. Users should have clear access to privacy settings and be informed about changes in policies. Data control. Empower users to control their data. Implement features that allow users to review, edit, and delete their information. Enhanced security. Continuously invest in cybersecurity to protect user data from breaches. Implement strong encryption and authentication measures. Education. Raise awareness about privacy risks among users. Provide resources and guidelines on safe and responsible social media usage. Regulatory compliance. Platforms must adhere to evolving privacy regulations and work closely with authorities to ensure compliance. Conclusion.